Hi, at Sensory Time we often get questions on how people can hang swings up in their homes. I'm going to show you how I've hung up a swing in my home. It's a very easy process and I'm going to guide you through it today. The first thing I've done is I've gone and bought an eye bolt. I've got this from my local hardware store and I've mentioned to them that I'm hanging up a swing, so I want a nice sturdy eye bolt. The next thing I've purchased is a carabiner clip. You can again buy these from your local hardware store and mention to them that it's a swing and you want something very sturdy for your children. The next thing that's a must-have when you're hanging up a swing at home is a daisy chain. You can buy these on the Sensory Time website, and these allow you to hang up your swing and clip your swing at whichever level your child is wanting at that time. They're very easy to adjust the swing height, so this is a must-have. A nice to have is a rotational device. We sell these on our website as well, and it allows the swing to actually rotate. If your child likes to rotate or likes to spin, this is one to consider. It's not a must-have, but it's a nice one to add to your collection. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you outside now and show you how my eye bolt is installed. This was installed by my maintenance company, nice and solidly in the foundation of our ceiling. So I'm going to show you how it's all hung up today. Alright, let's go on outside and I'll show you how I've hung up our swings.